My dear people of the once independent state of Southern Cameroons, my dear people of Ambazonia, my name is John Bakuro, and today is the 6th day of August in the year 2020. I bring you revolutionary greetings. My dear country people, any side we on a day for this world, or we on a day for ground zero, for ground one, for Ghana, or any other part of the world, may we accept revolutionary greetings from me, John Bakuro. My people, I go talk this talk for this country talk because I really want to make every person here, even the one that we don't know go school, whether they for any part of the world or for any part of ground zero, may they be able to partake for this very important conversation. Again, like the other day, I do not can talk today with the mon. The other day will be the mon that they die for Stephen Tato. We icon, we big brother, we despite all the effort, the energy we put in for raise the flag for La République du Cameroon, especially for World Cup for 1990 and for 1994, they leave them eat die like rat. And when it be happen, food orders them, like Song Bahanak and others, when they come after he, they be take the pains for evacuate them, for give them quick and urgent treatment, give them all the kind of attention will be necessary. But this time again, we demand. We demand this one with a lot of bitterness self. Because what will happen for Mr. Tangem Thomas, that thing we is not supposed to happen for any human being anywhere in the world, no matter self what we do. But all we see with our eyes, how wicked this La République du Cameroon fit be. Where they go abduct person, they go kidnap person since 2017. They never charge you with any crime. They never really take you go before any court for talk say that the things we don't do or the thing that we never do. They go keep you for underground prison for said. Keep it there for many years. They don't agree communicate with any person for a family or get asked themselves to lawyer. Until when they don't torture it, so they see say small tech go die, they move them, send them for Konengi prison. My people, even after I reach Konengi prison, his situation don't bad, so they don't frail, so they reach for level where even the nurses the way they work for that prison, and then tell prison superintendent say, this man, if you not take his center for hospital, he go die in a year. So they take you go for central hospital, then they go do the most disgraceful, the most inhuman thing. So they take handcuff, put her for hand for person where enough even woke up for your bed, you want enough even stand you one. They put handcuff for your hand, chain them for on top bed. Since Monday, the 3rd of August, where that kind of thing happened, despite the outcry, despite the noise where the circulation of that picture would handcuff for your hand, chained to your bed, it caused them on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, across the world. La République authorities, that prison superintendent, noticing the need for remove that handcuff. Finally, Mr. Thomas Tangem died yesterday, Wednesday, number 5 day for August, with handcuff for your hand, chained to his bed. Chained to his sick bed. My country people, now the kind people them this, when someone they among we, they really sit down to get the courage for tell we, say more consider, say now we brothers, now we sisters, so we feel live with them. People the way they really see we as human beings. People the way they really see we, even they not even give it the kind of treatment when they will give them for their dog, for their houses. My country people, this one it passed my power. May we observe even just 1 minute of silence in memory of your brother Tangem Thomas. May his soul rest in peace. The spirit for our brother Tangem Thomas, the spirit for Mame Api, the spirit for all that pikin them, and that woman and that pikin will be there for below the killer from Gabo. The spirits of all these people, they don't kill everywhere. Kwakwa, Mutengene, Kupengwanenguba, every part of southern Cameroons. The spirits of these people, they no go rest. They no go rest. They no fit cross the bar until we don't do the honorable thing. And that honorable thing now for secure that independence. When they die, so no say na ye where they die for. My country people, the maneuvers the way they go on now, and where they will continue for go on, there plenty where they be meant only for take away we attention from the objective we'll get them before we will be that independence. Make I give an example already of some of the things and way that they happen. Will they be very disgraceful and shameful? Some international organization will be attached to United Nations. We they recall and say UNDP. The UNDP I talk for you, never that political party for Belegu Buba Maigari. No. Now they recall and say the United Nations Development Program. This UNDP don't they deceive people them for a long time. Say they been a neutral organization, a neutral body, where they come in only for try for bring in humanitarian relief. But we don't notice them. See, this UNDP get a different agenda altogether. See, this UNDP be used by France and Mr. Paul Biya government for manipulate with people and for see make them make sure say we will remain slaves forever. When Mr. Paul Biya they come up with again one of the very failed and stupid projects, we call and say reconstruction of the southern Cameroon, we call a northwest southwest. My people, every other person around the world, and even as late as last week, the deputy, the undersecretary for African Affairs for U.S. State Department, Mr. Tibor Nagy, he still described that project and described even the UNDP call him by name directly as leading a failed campaign. Because talk say the truth, now say the real #1 priority for the people for Southern Cameroon today. Now me they call us Southern Cameroon because Mr. Tibor Nagy call us say Northwest Southwest. Say with #1 priority. Now forget the freedom for decide we own affairs, for decide we own destiny, for decide we priorities, not the reconstruction. I ain't talk clear. Say that thing when you NDP work at talk say reconstruction, it no make no sense at all because it not fit work. My country people, when you NDP be first come into this nonsense, say reconstruction, people make too much noise. UNDP officials, they run can't stand for public. They talk say, as a matter of fact, they no one may they talk say they be involved for any project and for any reconstruction. Say na Cameroon government he won, they put together that 90 billion. And say them for UNDP, Cameroon government only call them in as experts. Say may they come in as technical partners for come assist them for see may they carry out that project fine. But talk don't change. Talk don't change. Yesterday, Wednesday, August 5, where the whole world they express bitterness, condemnation, and frustration for what will happen for Mr. Thomas Tangem, for that kind of inhuman treatment which they give for people for Southern Cameroons. UNDP come up, send the officials for Douala. They go for Douala, go home meeting for Christian Kalina Tumi in place. They bring together some people that are like these ones. A representative for the Bishop of Boya. A representative for, I don't say the Bishop herself because Bishop Michael Bibi, from my information I get for the people that attend that meeting in the day present. Now, so Reverend Father representative from Boya. They bring a representative too, that is the secretary set for the Archbishop of Bamenda, His Grace Andrew Nkia, because the people that didn't tell me say the Archbishop herself attend. And then they begin Reverend Funky Samuel. They begin Reverend Godwill Ncham Chato. They get Reverend B1 Enonchom Daniel. They get Tuku Mohammed Adamu. They get Malam Mohammed Abubakar. And then they talk to them bring Bishop Dibo Elango for the Anglican Communion. When they don't bring this people, they sit down. They manipulate them. Cook plenty funny stories they tell them. They deceive them. Say Then they put them together so now for tell them, say them UNDP, then they come in now only for the humanitarian aspect. Say that money, that palaver for reconstruction, they want to make the church is support that reconstruction project, because that reconstruction project if we do that only with humanitarian, you no get nothing for do political, so it no go affect with aspirations of freedom anyway. It could just be a relief. UNDP reconstruction for real, therefore do only with humanitarian. Which we know about humanitarian relief, the kind of activities away the World Food Program they conduct for Southern Cameroons, the World Food Programs. Now the kind of activities and way the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, now way that they carry now humanitarian relief activities and that. Now the kind of activities and way organizations like Médecins Sans Frontières then they carry now the kind of humanitarian activities and that way we know for warring areas. The kind of activities them where the United Nations for population activities too, they carry out there for provide relief. Now the kind thing that we know as humanitarian activities. I never know for all which I don't read about conflict areas. Say reconstruction, when war they still go on, when destruction they still go on. Now part of humanitarian relief activities. And when these UNDP officials and talk so, they go ahead. For tell this men of God, say, as he stand, UNDP, now ye the sponsor that program with 81 billion. This one is a different talk, because this same UNDP, they make them public. Say they no get money when they give La République du Cameroun. Say that they only come in as technical partners. But yesterday, these UNDP officials, they tell this men of God, say UNDP don't create an account. When La République du Cameroun put only 9 billion inside, say that all that La République du Cameroun they contribute, and for sure that were only as their act of goodwill for invite UNDP, so may UNDP come in, they can do that reconstruction, and the UNDP now go provide the balance, meaning 81 billion. UNDP, they give this money for La République du Cameroun when they know say La République du Cameroun need this money now for buy sticks, granules, and all kinds of them for take and they kill people that they kill every day. UNDP know pertinently. See, even as I talk so, they burn some houses them, they burn some villages them, they kill some people them recklessly, like that young Mogamo girl. Where this conduct title for my country people, them send the agents and they go kill them, throw them for road. So that make you take the video, make them send out the talk say this, so now we picking them. We did do self-defense. We did stand for defend with communities, saying that they kill them just because they struggle as hard as possible. Say make the world talk say we be terrorists. UNDP be aware of all of this. UNDP be aware of all the serious violations the way they go on for Southern Cameroons. Yet, this same UNDP, you will come out now, they pour this money, 81 billion, as they claim, and say Cameroon government they give only 9 billion. My people, may we remember, say France, French government come out publicly claim say they go only support reconstruction when negotiations and peace talks they don't take place, so they peace don't return. But they go behind, they instrumentalize UNDP. They send UNDP, dispatch UNDP, make UNDP can't throw in dust for people them their eyes them. Make UNDP yes. May they can't throw dust for people that their eyes them. For tell them say they be a humanitarian relief organization. They don't get them nothing or not for do with respect to changing the situation and all of those things. All which they can't do now for bring relief for people them. Reconstruction. Now reconstruction they bring that relief. Reconstruction when they destroy at the same time. When the Republic military they burn. They break down those villages them again at the same time. I talk about reconstruction. And now, the next way UNDP do, now say, the lie. Ask me how the lie. Make a give, and it looks so like the name for that Oga Madam, when I be the boss for UNDP for La République du Cameroun Day. Just a bit of patience. I go look at that. Okay, his name na Allegra Bayoshi. Allegra Bayoshi. And I be the representative of the UNDP, and I be the coordinator of the UN system for La République du Cameroun. I will recall, since one time be there with this same coordinator, they write a letter for La République du Cameroun presidency, for tell them, say make them do everything possible so that may at least some semblance of things may they happen, like say dialogue or discussion. They don't been at 2019. Before the people go hold that nonsense what they call a grand national dialogue. See me they do something before the UN session for September that 2019. Otherwise, consequences there could be. All this one, they show we total connection. So it show now saying that UNDP, they promote and they enable that genocide when they go on for Southern Cameroons. I mean UNDP under Madame Allegra. It be very embarrassing. Very hurting. So, and then UNDP, when they finish for that meeting, they know say the Archbishop of Bamenda, Archbishop Andrew Nkia, they know say Bishop Bibi, for Boya. Say all them when they get the opportunity for talk publicly, for public meetings, when Mr. Tasson Paul be organizer, they be talk clear. Say any discussion about reconstruction at this time, na nonsense. Because it no make no sense at all. See this so why they did break houses, why they did burn houses, by that mean the military of Cameroon, why they did break houses, they burn houses, they kill people there every day like they kill flies. You know if you can't talk about reconstruction. But UNDP skillfully, knowing say Archbishop Andrew Nkia no day for that meeting, knowing say Bishop Bibi no day for that meeting, they go prepare press release, this one so. They never sign it, it already circulate. But a document the way they want to send across the world. For talk say this, so the church, they support their project. They put their names in. The normal practice and say, if that people they be saying representatives, they they can't hear what you want to talk, can't tell them. You know go put their names of president, so they not be present. Put the names of their representatives. Now UNDP craft this press release where they write and now they claim, say the religious leaders them, they don't talk say they support the reconstruction in times of war. Wow. UNDP try harder. La République try harder. Find different surrogates. Because we not go accept this shit. We not go accept this trash. Other people don't try these manipulations before it no work. That is so much I get for talk about that United Nations Development Program. Now manipulators, they support and they enable this genocide where we go on for Southern Cameroons. May we tell them no. We not allow them. We not go allow them. May they destroy we. My people, we go tell them in the most peaceful means possible. As they talk so, I know say the various stakeholders they prepare press releases for talk that this day. Yes, they prepare press releases for sending out there for talk that disapproval of this kind of manipulation by the United Nations Development Program. Now the kind of approach that we need them. Civil, peaceful, and gentle approach. We must tell them in the most peaceful manner possible. Say, we no go flow. Say that their plan with France and La République du Cameroon is no go work. We must tell them in the most peaceful manner possible. Peaceful manner possible. We go reject them. We go reject that idea. We go reject that approach. My people, the next thing I will talk about now, the visit of these two officials from Swiss Embassy for Douala and for Buea. These two officials from the embassy, because not the age the officials, as some people don't try for, confuse with them. Now, two career diplomats from the Swiss Embassy for Yaoundé, where they did down on the field. They go meet up Christian Cardinal Toumi for Douala. Then they go meet up a number of people, including the illegitimate mayor for Buea and other people then for inside Buea. They did and sure says they still did it today because they continue to meet other people then. But the information, well, I don't get them from the ground. Now, see, in as much as they claim, see, they work I do na fact finding. See, they on a humanitarian fact finding mission, my people. The information I don't get them from some the people them who they don't already meet them, discuss with them. Especially the one they be there for the meeting for Douala, the one they be there for the meeting with Mayor of Buea, where they talk to me as an individual. They make it clear for me. Say the real mission of this Swiss delegation now for find direct contacts for reach the various commanders among self-defense volunteers. Now they mission that. They define every person as they go, so they talk every person, they find a way you be able to know how you feel linked with to the main generals on the ground, because we need to reach them. Some of the interlocutors they tell me, see, they ask them plain, say, but tell we, La République du Cameroon really be committed to this nothing when I call a mediation. They say, yes, but one condition, say, the République du Cameroon be ready for flow, provided them HD, they be able for bring to the table now the generals them among the self-defense volunteers on the ground. They no one get anything to do with the leaders and for diaspora, because they say the leaders for diaspora get a disconnect with the commanders on the ground. So there's no one situation where they will go talk, then make at the end of the day may not be implemented. So they want direct contact. So then I ask the question. Now the same thing that they do the army of La République du Cameroon. That negotiation we go where they want to make take place. So they go mediate now between the army of La République du Cameroon and the self-defense volunteers of Southern Cameroons, or now between the government of La République du Cameroon and the leadership for the struggle of the people of Southern Cameroons for freedom. My country people, this kind of thing, me I never seen before for inside Palava mediation. Say they will leave you, then they do one good talk, make we take note. From the first self-defense volunteers, when they sit down, get discussions, get meeting with AD officials for Accra, Ghana, who side and they? Namberema, one of them, who side they today? He end up now for Yaoundé. Some of the people, some of the self-defense volunteers, they would every day, either HDB struggle for take them for Europe, or then they now so as they talk for DDR. Now the mediation that would they expect from Switzerland, and no one come across as bashing a mediation initiative. We want peace. We want a clear and transparent mediation initiative. We don't want this under the belt kind tactics. Why the Swiss people them won't get in touch with the self-defense volunteers? Why they want direct contacts with the commanders? And it's also because before I personally see the correspondence where they send them for AMF, or the Ambazonia Military Force. I personally be present when we get a clear report of the discussions where they be get them with some of the spokespersons and others for the AMF. And I will get the opportunity to, and I'm sure most of what I will see the letter where AMF be write them to HD direct, or they will make them public, for tell them straight, say military not to do negotiations. Negotiations na political matter, and they get to do now with people the way they be trained, will they be experts in that area. So this kind of game where Switzerland they play, that thing that we'll still need to find out. Why do you say out they convert missions, so they go for a humanitarian fact-finding mission? No wonder they never go now from Gabu. No, they never go now for the place where things that happen for day. They never go now for a corner. They never go now for Teke. They never go now for Kwakwa. Who say where things that happen for day? They never go for Kumbo. They'll come and go hang for Buea and for Douala. Maybe smarter they'll come and go into for Bamenda. Say they carry out humanitarian fact-finding mission. I want to make you know their mission. Therefore, see how they feel, deceive the local people them if they get any contacts with Amba generals, made the jam for them. If they get any contacts with self-defense volunteers people that make the jam for them. They want direct contact because of the condition that will the Republic give them. My dear people, they play as a neutral referee or they stand, they take sides with some teams. May we be very careful the kind of team we bargain for. I don't talk before, and I will repeat them again now. We need a transparent mediation, free of obscurity. We need to follow all the established SOPs. I go talk to them and I go talk them over and over. People they throw me stones, throw me bananas, make them come to where? Yes. We need to be very careful. Now the future of millions of people that we will fight for. So we get to do things and right. Finally, for end this message, I want to send this very important message for all the brothers for Southern Cameroons. Will they get any serious knowledge in physics? If you don't ever work for a query, if you don't ever demonstrate publicly any skills in chemical engineering, no say your life be at stake. Because La République du Cameroon right now, they be very willing to say all that ports them, when they chaka their armored cars, they talk say they be one go from community to community for tell they say, may they release the names of any person with they check say if you know anything concerning chemical composition. I sure say Omar remember. So they don't find the worker arrest any person when they do metal works. When they think that they do for earn a living. Now they go now after any person will get any idea with chemical engineering. Take note. If one of those people look at the kind of contacts where they make a henceforth. If one of those people look at any kind for take any kind of call from people the way you don't know. Look at new associations. Watch your back, watch your surroundings seriously every now and then. Because whether you be involved for this struggle or not, just the fact that number one, you be Southern Cameroonian. And number two, you get that kind of technical knowledge, not a crime for La République. No talk say and not be inform you. Take serious note because now the information that we get from within their ranks. Take serious note. Make we continue for be vigilant. Make we continue for open with eyes. Make we continue for be resilient. My country people, no relent. They go talk any kind of story. La République du Cameroon no go ever change. As I talk now, so they prepare what they call regional elections. Who sound on special status? Balok people. May God bless all we. Until we will meet again. Make all must stay blessed. To God be all the glory.